Well, we're here to promote early childhood learning, and we're here to celebrate the fact that we were successful in getting a federal grant of $1.5 million to enhance that effort here in Fairfax County. We know that investing in early childhood learning is one of the smartest investments we can make. Huge payoff in terms of subsequent education, more stable lives, and higher earnings. So we know we can put kids on the path to success the earlier we intervene educationally.
So early childhood education is essentially the foundation for all children. So the studies have shown that the earlier children begin to prepare for school, the better that they do. And we're really hoping to make sure that there's access to high quality early childhood education for children all over Fairfax County, which right now is not always the case. So I think it would really beneficial to expand the exposure that children have to early childhood education and high quality early childhood education in Northern Virginia, specifically in Fairfax. We have so many children who don't have access to high quality programs, whose parents are not able to help provide them that foundation. We really want to make sure that it's equitable for the entire county so that everybody's coming in better prepared for kindergarten.
This will allow teachers to receive higher wages, benefits. It will take children who are on wait lists for schools to be taken off that wait list, and they're now able to access an early childhood education.
With this funding, with this federal fund, thanks to the Congressman Connolly, we are able to serve an additional 72 slots. This is a step in the right direction. Currently, the county funds 108 slots for children, and this will increase it by 72.
The Board of Supervisors is committed to ensuring that every child in Fairfax County has access to affordable child care, and that every child is ready to enter kindergarten when it's time for them. And today's announcement is part of making that happen.
Little brains are sponges. They love soaking up knowledge and experience. For them, it's all a great excitement, and it's wonderful to watch. So you can't really begin too early.